Having trouble seeing small text or tiny icons on your Android phone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable and use the built-in screen magnification feature. Follow these simple steps to zoom in, adjust the magnification settings, and make your phone easier to read and navigate. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. On many Android devices, especially Samsung phones, you'll see vision enhancements or visibility enhancements. Tap that option, then select Magnification. Turn the magnification feature on. Next, tap Magnification type to choose how you'd like it to work. You can select full screen to zoom the entire display, partial screen to use a movable magnified window, or allow your phone to switch between both modes whenever needed. Now enable the magnification shortcut. Your phone will let you choose how to activate the feature. Depending on your device, you can use a triple tap on the screen, press the accessibility button at the bottom of the display, or use another available shortcut. Once everything is set up, activate screen magnification using your selected shortcut. After zooming in, drag two fingers across the screen to move around and view different areas. If you want to increase or decrease the zoom level, simply pinch in or out with two fingers, just like zooming on a photo. When you're finished, use the same shortcut again to turn off magnification and return your screen to its normal size. That's all there is to it. Screen magnification is a simple but incredibly useful feature that can make your Android phone much easier to use, especially when reading small text or viewing detailed content. Give it a try and adjust the settings until you find the zoom style that feels most comfortable for your everyday use.